Window regulators are one of those parts that should be invisible, until they fail. When they do, your customer doesn't want to replace it twice. That's why we don't just match the OE design, we improve it. TrakMotive window regulators are built with stronger guides, reinforced cable pulleys, and high-quality materials where OE units tend to break down. Common failure points like plastic cable guides, weak motor housings, and worn tension pulleys are upgraded with steel components, improved cable routing, and pre-lubed tracks for smoother operation. They install just like OEM, or better, with precise fitment and pre-aligned mounting points. That saves time in the bay, which means less hassle at the counter. And with broad vehicle coverage and consistent part quality, they're easier to stock, move, and recommend with fewer comebacks and more confidence. When a window regulator works, like it's supposed to, and holds up better than the last one, that's a win for everyone.